Civil engineering offers a variety of career paths, each with its own unique challenges and rewards. Whether you enjoy working on-site, designing structures, or managing big projects, there's a role for you. As a site engineer, you'll oversee construction activities, ensuring projects are built according to plans and safety standards. If you prefer working behind the scenes, consider becoming a design engineer. Design engineers create blueprints and technical drawings, transforming ideas into reality. Project managers coordinate teams, budgets, and schedules, making sure everything runs smoothly from start to finish. Quantity surveyors focus on cost estimation and financial management, helping keep projects within budget. Structural consultants provide expert advice on building stability and safety. For those interested in innovation, a researcher role involves developing new materials or methods to advance the field. Entrepreneurs in civil engineering start their own firms, bringing creative solutions to industry challenges. With so many options, civil engineering offers a fulfilling and dynamic career journey.